Just now I get from up, then what is fall down I get, but little only fall down, so I get from the tree, this one. And we give this one for our goats because we have 8 goats, so we have to cut like this. And now they are hungry. This is their breakfast. So this one already we cut, and this one for our small goats. Then you mix also this one there with what?
Yeah.
This another kind of
Busa,
pusa, suri, and
then
then what? Then mix all this one, na?
yeah.
Then they will eat together. So these are their special foods for breakfast. Healthy breakfast for them. Some roti with the small bakery they can eat also. Now they're hungry because past 8 a.m. now. So my husband is going now. They're down. Now they are waiting there. Huh? Feeds for our goats. What is this, Dar? Sorry, ga? This is special feeds for our goats. And then mix with this apples or anything what we have extra for vegetables. Ayan. Divide it into 2. Then they will eat together all there. Ayan. This is the dwarf apple. Yung mga nahulog. Konting damage. Now when they come outside, then they will
This one is for big bakri only.
Eh? This one for who?
Big bakri.
And that one?
This one for small.
Now open
Small
this.
there,
This the room for our goats. Because I think 8. Ayan na, oh. Ayan na sila, oh. Naglabasan na, oh. Ayan. Sige, kain kayo. Ayan na, oh, oh, oh. Ayan. In the hurry, they're in the hurry. Ayan na. Mashallah. Oh. Her mother is here. Only one? She's alone here?
Yeah.
Why nobody come with her? She don't like anybody to come with. Ayan. Sinusungay niya yung kakain. Gusto niya siya lang mag-isa. She like alone to eat. She can finish also this one, Dar?
Yeah.
You eat there. Our goats is eating their breakfast, special breakfast with dwarf apples and some this kind of feeds. Their special foods. Kaon order na, why they don't like to eat this too here?
They are waiting for milk.
Huh?
They are waiting for milk to drink.
They want to drink milk. This one they like to drink milk. So after eat this mother, then they will drink milk. This one no. How? You see this one there waiting.
Huh?
This one, 2 small goats. They are how many months now? This one they are April, May, June, July. They are ano now? They are 3 months, more than 3 months now. This and this one they are already 6 months last January. That is their mother. This one, this brown, that two brown is their he goats, two he goats. And this one black, where is that one? This one daughter, one, ano, this one girl, she goat. And this one is two he goats also.
Possibly inside here.
After eating this mother, then they will have to drink milk. Now they are waiting. They want to drink now milk. She don't want his mother to. That's why she's alone to eat here. After eating this black, now they have to drink milk. You see.
Sit. Sit. Yeah. Say, chẳng phải say. Sit.
Ay, huh.